Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tacos using an easy recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need your choice of protein, like 1 pound of ground beef, and essential toppings such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and your favorite cheese. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's cook the filling. Brown 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or turkey, in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep your tacos light and flavorful. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water, letting it simmer for a few minutes until thickened. Hey everyone, if you're finding these taco tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: if you love reading recipes or just enjoying a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even by the pool. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. While your filling simmers, let's get the tortillas and toppings ready. Warm your corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side, or briefly in the microwave. This makes them pliable and delicious. Next, shred 1 cup of crisp lettuce and 2 cups of your preferred cheese. Don't forget to dice 1 large tomato and 1/2 onion for a fresh, vibrant salsa. With everything prepared, it's time for the best part: assembling your tacos. Take a warm tortilla and place it on your plate. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious meat filling into the center. Now, pile on your favorite toppings: lettuce, cheese, salsa, sour cream, or anything else you love. Enjoy customizing each taco to your perfect taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.